Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular power supplies from Corsair, the RM850X and the RM650. In today's video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance, and user experiences. We'll explore how these power supplies stack up against each other in terms of wattage, efficiency, and overall value. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a budget-friendly setup, this comparison will help you choose the right power supply for your needs. The Corsair RM850X offers a robust 850 watts of power, making it ideal for high-end systems with multiple demanding components. In contrast, the Corsair RM650 provides 650 watts, which is suitable for mid-range builds. This significant difference in wattage can affect your system's performance, especially if you're planning to run power-hungry components like high-end GPUs or multiple drives. Both the Corsair RM850X and RM650 are 80 PLUS Gold certified, ensuring high energy efficiency. This certification means that both units can operate at up to 90% efficiency, reducing energy waste and lowering your electricity bills. However, the RM650 also boasts Cybernetics Platinum certification, indicating even higher efficiency under certain loads, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. When it comes to warranty, the Corsair RM850X offers a generous 10-year warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in its durability and performance. On the other hand, the RM650 comes with a 7-year warranty. While both warranties are impressive, the longer warranty on the RM850X provides added peace of mind for users investing in a high-end power supply. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM850X and RM650 power supplies have their strengths. The RM850X is perfect for high-performance systems that require more power, while the RM650 is an excellent choice for budget builds without sacrificing quality. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.